Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I will be doing some more fall DIYs. I'm so excited to share with you guys because these were so easy and so inexpensive to make. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items, so if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For my first DIY, I will be using this glass plate candle holder and this tapered candle holder. Both of these I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start off by removing the tag and the sticker, and then I'm going to glue these together using my E6000. I do recommend you using a heavier duty glue for this. I left this drying overnight, and look how pretty this looks, just clear. You can actually just leave it like this or paint it like I will. I will be painting this using my Waverly chalk paint in white. I didn't paint this perfect either because I will be sanding the edges to make it look more rustic and old. Once it was nice and dry with a Dollar Tree sand sheet, I did sand it a little to distress it to make this look more old. And that is it for this cute little cake stand. I absolutely love how this turned out. I love it because I will be able to use this all year round. My second DIY is so easy and simple to do. I will be using this pumpkin shaped candle holder that I got from Dollar Tree, and I will be using a piece of this burlap, and I got this roll from Walmart a while back. I'm going to make a circle using this bowl, and then I'm going to cut it out. As you can see, my burlap wasn't big enough, so I can just stuff it in there. So I am going to glue the burlap to the lid, and then I am going to use some jewelry to wrap it around several times and then making a bow. In order for me to put stuff in there, I do have to make a hole, and I'm going to use my scissors to make like a circle and then just glue the rest down with some hot glue. And that is it. This was so easy and simple to do. The last thing I will be doing is just adding some fall floral. For my third DIY, I will be using this 2021 Dollar Tree calendar. I was so happy when I finally found this, and I'm using this wood sign. I actually got this last year after Christmas from Dollar General, so it did cost me like 25 cents, but you can use any Dollar Tree sign. I will be using the month of October from this calendar, and look how pretty this is. I am so happy I finally found this one. I still have to look for the farmer's market. Hopefully I can still find it. I do have to check like two other different Dollar Trees. Now I'm going to place the wood decor right on top of it and then trace it. And then I'm going to cut it out. I will be gluing this to the sign, but since you can see clearly the Santa stops here, I did paint it white. And then using my Elmer's glue stick, I'm going to glue this. To blend in more the paper, I will be distressing all the edges with one of the Dollar Tree scent sheets. With the Waverly Antique Wax, I'm going to distress my sign, and I'm also adding some paint where you can see the numbers. From close up, you can see them more. I felt like I needed something else, so I decided to add one of these little leaves. I actually got these from Dollar Tree last year. I'm going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax, but before I glue it, I will be adding a hanger to this. This sign already had some holes, so all I'm doing is using a pencil to poke them through. The next thing I will be doing is using my Walmart beads and putting them through a piece of jute string to make my little hanger. I put in the jute string and then I made some knots. I did make like 2 or 3 just to make sure they were secure. Now I will be adding the little leaf, and you can add anything to it, but I just felt like with the leaf it looked good. The leaf kind of matched the beads, so that's what I liked. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love this. Begin each day with a grateful heart. For my fourth and final DIY, I will be using one of the little houses that Dollar Tree carries and the rest of the paper from my third DIY. I'm going to start off by removing the jute string and then the gather. It did take me a while for the gather. I don't know, I had trouble with it, but I finally got it off. Next, I'm going to put the paper side by side and then put the little house right on top and start tracing it. I'm going to cut these out, and once I am done cutting them, I'm going to glue them to my little house using my Elmer's glue stick. I will be adding the jute string back, and I did wrap it around and glued it. And this only had one bead, so I did add one of my little Walmart beads to it. And for the little sign gather, I will be adding a burlap on each side. I did have to cut these because they were too big. Then I will be gluing it to the center of my house. And the last thing I will be doing is adding some little designs to the gather using my paint marker. And that is it for this house transformation. I just love it. It matches my third DIY. And this is perfect for the little cake stand I did in my first DIY. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye.